In logistics, adding or replacing trucks isn't just about timing, it's about keeping your operation moving without putting pressure on your cash flow. That's why used trucks remain a practical solution, helping you respond quickly, scale when needed, and maintain continuity without the delays of new fleet orders. Whether you're replacing a unit, taking on a new contract, or managing seasonal demand, the priority isn't just availability. It's choosing a truck that fits the job from day one. When evaluating a used truck, focus on how it will perform in your operation. Application fit, does it match the job? Mechanical condition, will it deliver reliable uptime? Configuration, does it suit your route and load? And serviceability, can it be supported easily? A truck that's matched correctly will integrate into your fleet and perform. One that isn't will create inefficiencies and downtime. At Pomona, we don't just supply used trucks. We focus on how that truck will perform in your operation, with proper inspection, preparation, and ongoing support through sales, repairs, and spares. A well-chosen used truck isn't a compromise. It's a practical way to build capacity, control costs, and keep your business moving. If your fleet needs a used truck, speak to Pomona. We'll help you find a unit that fits the job and is ready to work.